Think big, trust yourself, and make it happen. A very happy morning to all. Let's see a short story. Rohit was very happy when he returned from home. He was shouting and was in a joyous mood. What happened? Why are you so happy? Asked his mother. Our school has organized a picnic tomorrow. We are going to Dreamland. We are going to play in all the swings and rides. It would be a great day with full of pleasure, fun and not studies at all, Rohit replied. Evening, he purchased all the chocolate snacks with his mother. And after that, he took all his favorite shoes and put all the things in his picnic bag. Rohit didn't stop smiling even for a second. After his dinner, he watched the television. Rohit, his mother shouted, if you begin to watch television now, you will never be able to wake up on time. Remember, you have to go for school picnic tomorrow, so you should wake up 1 hour before your routine time. So by hearing this, Rohit said, no mom, I have to watch television today. Even I don't have any homework to do. I have planned to watch many shows as much as possible. So you don't worry, I will wake up on time. By saying this, Rohit continued to watch television till late at night. The next morning, Rohit's mother tried very hard to wake him, but all the attempts failed because he was in a very deep sleep. Finally, he get up from his bed and murmured, it's only 7 a.m. All of a sudden, he just remembered that his school bus would reach half an hour earlier. So he rushed into the bathroom with his towel and shouted, Mom, please assist me. I have only 10 minutes in hand and I don't want to miss the school bus. So getting ready and skipping his breakfast, he ran towards the bus stop. But he was a bit late. He saw the school bus was leaving the bus stop. He missed the bus. At the time, nothing would have been done. He cried and reached home and hugged his mother and said, Mom, I'm really sorry. You are absolutely right. Now I fully understood the importance of time. So with this story, we can relate the familiar proverb, time and tide waits for none. And this proverb is best suited that tide doesn't wait for anyone. In the same manner, time also doesn't wait for anyone. So make use of your time. Grab the opportunity as it is very precious and important for the life. Many of us doesn't realize the importance of time until it has gone. Time is so powerful. We calculate everything on the basis of time. Time doesn't wait for anyone. Whether a person is rich, poor, belong to any region, time continues to pass on its own speed. For example, a student works very hard and spends most of the time in studying, he or she will do better in exams. But if the student doesn't spend the proper time on his study, he will not get better marks. So the best and effective utilization of time based on goal setting, prioritizing the task and preparing the work list. So time is like a river. You will not touch the same water again as it passes on. So make use of your time. Keep growing, keep glowing. Thank you.